Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is butterfly. Next week's theme will be Valentine's Day. And we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And as you can tell, I've caught a cold or something of some sort, and so I apologize about the sounding of my voice, but it is what it is. Anyways, so let's jump right in. I am using Kayla, which is the Butterfly Farm Cottage Cuts, and I thought she was perfect. And then also using the Nested Wacky Stitched Rectangles, and I'm using the largest one from this set. And here is my beautiful little card. Unfortunately, I misplaced a couple of dies, and I don't know what I did with them. I probably put them in the wrong spot or something. I don't know. I thought they were on the desk. Can't find them. But let me show you my card. So one of the dies that I cut it out and used it as a stencil in the background. I don't know if you can see it, but it has little tiny circles going around. And then I laid this one on top, and that's the other die that I can't find. I think they were both from In Love Arts, but not definite. Then I used this little butterfly, and I inked it up with pink in the back and added some pink gems, and then also added some clear gems around. And then I'm not sure where this came from. I just have a container full of sentiments, and so I thought I would pop that one on there, and I angled the card, as you can tell. And then the inside, just kind of repeated it a little bit in the inside. What I have on the outside, just didn't angle it. But I really like how it turned out. It's really pretty and very simple. And it was inspired by Pinterest as well. I seen a few of their cards there, and then I was just like, well, that's a simple card. Let me do my version of it. So that's what I came up with. All right, so if you have the chance, please enter into our collabs using hashtag Two Crafters One Design or hashtag Satmore Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.